In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to adjust accessories in Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can easily change your accessories in Roblox. I'm gonna teach you how to do it through the Roblox player. However, you will also be able to do this through the website if you prefer, and it works for PC, mobile, or even consoles. All that you have to do is go over to the avatar option at the left side of the screen. So open Roblox on any platform and choose avatar at the left. In here, you will see the marketplace where you can browse through accessories. So if you want to purchase new accessories, just go over here and browse through all of them. But what you have to do in order to actually adjust them is to go to customize. So if you choose customize, you will see again all of the categories at the top, with one of them being accessories. So now you can just click on them to equip or de-equip certain accessories. The changes will be reflected immediately at the right side of the screen. So you will have face accessories, neck accessories, shoulder, front, back, waist, and then gear. And when you click on any of these, they will be applied to your Roblox character. So you can clearly notice the changes here. It is simple to do, and you will be able to change it on any platform. They will also show some recommendations and even some free items. So for example, if I get this free Roblox baseball cap, it is going to appear under my accessories and I can equip it right away. So it is super simple to customize your character in Roblox. You also have the other categories. If you notice that, for example, your hair is interfering with a certain accessory, you can take it away. And all of them will be reflected once you choose them. You might be able to wear multiple accessories at once. So for example, these head accessories, I can wear all of them and they won't conflict, but some other accessories might not allow you to do this without the usage of some modifications. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust accessories in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.